Finding the right managed service provider, or MSP, is one of the most important decisions your business will make. The wrong choice can lead to costly downtime, security vulnerabilities, and missed opportunities to grow. As Danny Coda, co-founder of GSD Solutions, says, a carefully chosen MSP can help businesses minimize risks, reduce operational costs, and ensure seamless scalability. So how do you choose the right one? Start with alignment. The best MSPs don't just maintain your IT, they act as strategic partners. They'll understand your goals, help you scale, and recommend technologies that align with your business strategy. Next, evaluate their services. Do they offer secure, scalable cloud solutions? Do they have a proven disaster recovery plan? And are they proactive about cybersecurity? These are non-negotiables in today's digital market. Ask the tough questions. What's their track record? Have they worked with businesses like yours? Can they meet compliance requirements like HIPAA or GDPR? And can they customize their services to fit your unique needs? Pricing matters too. Transparency is key. Make sure you understand what's included, what's not, and how costs will scale as your business grows. For a detailed checklist to guide your decision, visit our website to read the full article. And don't forget to add this episode to your Spotify playlist for more actionable insights.